need this money. Especially all the ones at this rally from New York City Public Schools. Please raise your hands so we can thank them.
Raise your hand.
Thank you. All right, up next we got Matt A, who has some words of wisdom to drop for all.